Greetings and great day. Welcome again to my herbal kitchen at home. My name is Patty and I'm reporting to you with EthniciTea Herbals NYC. And I'm here in my New York City kitchen and I want to bring you another great video about tea lattes. As you know, tea lattes are my love because with tea lattes you get a whole lot of living. Anyway, so today the recipe is it's called a Matcha Lavender Latte. Doesn't that sound good? Now, I love matcha. I know a lot of you out there probably love coffee and you get the benefits of coffee because you feel like it wakes you up in the morning. Well, matcha does the same thing. Okay, so we're gonna gather all of our ingredients for our Matcha Lavender Latte. One of the ingredients, of course, is the lavender, so we're gonna go to our home apothecary and gather it. Now, this is something simple that you can do at home. You don't have to have a lot of space to have a home apothecary. All you have to have is a nice little corner and a beautiful space to have some cabinetry where you can have all your organic matcha that I have here, and it's in the powder form, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start, and the base of the green tea, and why I'm gonna say that this matcha latte is so amazing is because not only are we going to use some fresh organic matcha, but the base, I'm going to use cashew. If you're allergic to nuts, you don't have to use cashews. I'm also going to use Irish moss. This is an Irish moss from St. Lucia. And you know, Irish moss, you can check out my video on Irish moss. That's a whole separate video. But this is the gel form. And of course, I'm going to use some organic lavender and I'm going to top with some nutmeg. So the first thing, we're going to start with a nice mug. And I'm going to make it for two for me and my cameraman. So I'm going to start with this and I'm going to fill it with some hot water. Okay, and once we have our hot water ready to go in our mug, I'm going to place it in. And again, remember, I'm going to do 2 cups because I'm making not only a cup for myself, but I'm also making a cup for my cameraman. So I'm going to place it in hot water. You want to make sure that you're using a hot cold blender. Not every blender has the capacity to do hot cold. A lot of people know Vitamix as one of the leaders of having a hot cold blender. For the base, I'm going to use cashew, which is oh so great, and it's high in protein as well. You don't have to use cashews if you have a nut allergy. You can probably substitute this with some hemp seeds as well. So I'm going to rinse my cashews in some alkaline water, and my cashews have been soaking in my hot water. And that's the base for my latte. And some of this latte, I'm going to place 2 tablespoons of my organic green tea matcha in there. Then I'm going to place my Irish moss in there. This is about 2 tablespoons. Okay? Or more. Give or take. 2 or 3 tablespoons. Then I'm going to place some organic lavender in here. Don't need a spoon for that. I like to use my hand and just kind of measure. The benefits of lavender, very calming. Okay. Then I'm going to blend that. Oh, check out my video about Irish moss, but that's a whole nother lesson. Irish moss contains 92 out of the 102 trace minerals that the body needs. Okay, so that's why it's very nutrient dense. We're doing a matcha sea moss lavender latte that's very nutrient dense. We're going to blend up our ingredients. Wow, and the one thing you definitely notice right away is the foam. The oxygen, very high nutritional value. The sea moss kind of blended in with the matcha and the lavender, and as well as the smell, such a fragrant smell. So we definitely want a beautiful mug to place our matcha latte in. right? And this is what we call an anti-inflammatory drink and beverage, which is oh so good. One of my favorite things is to top with some nutmeg, okay? Now this combination with the lavender, oh my gosh, reducing inflammation in the body, boosting your immune health, as well as supporting your digestive health. This is also a respiratory aid as well. Okay, having that lavender. And of course, the combination of the matcha, the balancing of the something really high in antioxidants, which also a calm, doesn't give you that hit like a coffee does. It is a smooth, nice, easy boost of energy. Okay? And optional, you want to use a raw honey. Now this is totally optional. If you don't want honey, you don't have to use it. You can also maybe use dates if you want to, but I feel like a little honey. I feel like something sweet today. So I'm gonna place a teaspoon of honey in my matcha and stir. And I'm gonna do a teaspoon as well for my cameraman. Stir that up. And this brand is Echo Bee Farms. This is a raw honey, and the benefits of this type of honey that you're getting an unpasteurized, unfiltered honey, and this is local to your area. And as well, you know, raw honey is very, very good with boosting the immune system as well. And that's it. Here we have our matcha, sea moss, lavender latte. I hope you enjoyed this video of my matcha sea moss lavender latte, and I hope to see you at our next video here at Ethnicity at Home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Why not bring your herbal apothecary to your own home with you? Have a wonderful day. Until I see you again, stay blessed and healthy.